The first thing we want to do is navigate to the Beefree Vue demo that we have available for you in GitHub. And we'll go ahead and clone this repository. Once you have that clone, let's go ahead and install the Beefree SDK with the following npm command. That didn't take long at all. Let's talk for a moment about authentication. Secure authentication is a must for your production environment. In the application we have available for you, we're going to leverage login v2 to secure the client secret and client ID and make sure they're not exposed in front-end code. So first, go to the .env.example file, and let's just rename that to .env, which is what our program would expect. From there, you'll replace your client ID and your client secret with your client ID and secret, which you can find in the developer console. Once you've done that, if you go to proxy server.js, you'll see how we've implemented this. And once we've taken care of our imports and imported our .env, we're going to actually refer to the client secret and client ID right here. Those will be secured and the token will be accessed via the backend. So now within our sample Vue.js application, we have installed the Beefree SDK through Node Package Manager. We've handled authorization to your Beefree account through use of our proxy server. Now we need to talk about how to actually get the Beefree editor within your Vue.js application. Well, much like the Angular example, we'll do that through use of a custom component. We've created one for you here called beefreeeditor.vue. And as you see here, beginning on line 15, we are defining the beef config. Then starting here on line 28, we actually access that authorized token. And then with use of that token, we instantiate the editor right here in line 37. So now we have the SDK in an actual component and ready to be used, but we're still not going to see it because we haven't shown that in the view. So let's take this custom component and we'll go to app.vue, and you can see right here within the script, we'll import that and it will be seen in the parent component. At this point, we have everything in place to run our application locally. To do that, we're going to start with two terminal windows. And in the first, we'll just install a few critical packages, including Express for our web server, Axios to make our requests, and Cores to make sure we can do scripting across our two different proxies, both one for the proxy server as the application itself. Once that's installed, we'll just run our proxy server in this window. So node proxy server.js. Once that's running, we'll run our application with npm run dev. We see this being served to localhost 5173, so let's go there. And at localhost 5173, we see we have our application running. This is the Vue.js application here, or it could be your production environment application. And embedded here in the center, we have the actual email editor itself. You're ready to edit.